That sounds way.
God damn.
What's good, homies? We're back. We got our first car check. We got Bailey's 2001.
Yeah, no, 2000 series.
We got Bailey's 2000 series Toyota Crown JZS171. He's got the 1JZ VVTi strapped in there. We got a high flow turbo. Is that correct?
Yeah,
With the high flow CT turbo upgrade. We've also got front mount Phoenix intercooler. We've also got a few interior accessories, so let's go check them out. So we'll pop the hood, we'll see what's going on. You might have to run them through, bro. So what do we got going here? We got the trusty
wrinkle black.
We got the 1JZ VVTi. What do we got down here, bro? This is the
J-pipe delete.
Yeah, it's the J-pipe delete with the CT high flow. We got the gritty filter in there.
Phoenix radiator.
We also have the PRP $180 special hardware. My boy's got the spinny nuts. He's also got the, what is it, the Epman battery mount. We also have the Tom's limited edition sway bar. You haven't really seen one of those round. They're pretty rare. My homie likes to get all the goodie parts. We also got the no air plate strap. You know what we do down here at Streetside, all the G's.
Future plans for a car?
What are we thinking? JZX, yeah, 110. It is the 110 box A. So yeah, you can do the R154 110 conversion. Is it the push or pull type clutch? Push type clutch. So yeah, eventually we're going to do that, but that's about anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000 into the conversion, and we're going to get it road legal. It's a street car too, so we're going to do that. That is one modification. We're also going to be running some genuine wheels soon, so stay tuned for that. Drop some comments below. What do you want to see? Some 3Ps, some monoblocks, 18s, 19s? What do you want to see? The clear tails running in the back. This is something that Bailey did himself. If you guys want something like this, let me know down below, or at street.side, or at white.vip. My homie can help you out with the clear tails. What else we got? Oh, here's the interior. What is it? Oh, Okashi, that's it. Alright, so here we are, strapped in the back. We have the factory option doilies.
Yeah,
Doilies, which is sick. We also got a few little dices up in there. What else we got? We also have the Okashi VIP cup holder. And if you peep through the back over here, we also have the Okashi VIP curtains, a few LED lights, red and blue. My boy likes the red and blue in the back here. And we also are running a train handle so you can hold on while you're saying, oh shit.
Love that. Love that. Can you tell me like your favorite thing about the car?
Probably the motor. I'll say the 1JZ. It's a pretty bad motor and something like this.
You got a good dose on her, eh?
Yeah, got an all good dose. Quite a big boat. Not really expected out of something like this, but
No, definitely not.
It's pretty mean.
How many Ks have got on it too?
It's like 94,000.
Yeah, 94, so under 100,000 Ks is pretty bloody awesome for a, what, 23-year-old car?
Yeah.
So yeah, nice, it's super sweet.
We got the Turbo Smart boost gauge. Got up to 20 pound on it. It's not too bad.
I think yeah, it might be time to start her up and then we can head to the back and get an exhaust clip. What do you reckon?
Oh yeah,
Let's
that
do
sounds good. Let's do it.
The HKS 3-inch tip at the back with the old burnt effect, looking good. So we'll leave you back here while Bailey starts it up.
That sounds way.
God damn.
The best sounding engine, I reckon.
Low key.
Beautiful stuff. We might have to go around the block and see what it does. I think so. Do a living.
Let me just shoot some B-roll of it parked here.
we thinking? What are we thinking? Big dose or what?
Sounds good.
He sounds good. Yeah, old Bailey's he's done a good job. He's done a good job of it. Because what do you got? What do you got? Full exhaust all the way through?
Yeah, like Tomei down
Yep.
3-inch like extended.
Yep.
And just like straight pop all the way back to the
Back to
with
the
muffler.
what HKs?
HKs.
My boy's got money, but yeah, as you can see, she sounds good. She looks good. Coming soon, we're gonna be shifting into first, second, third, fourth,
Handbrake.
and fifth. Oh yeah, we need to do a handbrake conversion too. So we're
Like a cheeky one.
stay tuned. Stay tuned.